Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Poly, Plantronics, and Polycom PolySync 20. This is the pink version, and money goes back to the National Breast Cancer Foundation for every one of these purchased up until September 30th, 2023 from the Poly website. They were recently purchased by HP. This is a Bluetooth speakerphone. It also charges phones, and you can plug it directly into your PC.
Battery
Mac.
high.
Works with Microsoft Teams and Zoom, and it's also somewhat
No phone is connected.
Water resistant as well, so it's a USB-A port on the bottom, and it's a battery and a music player. So the battery, I have it plugged into a lightning cable right here. We're going to plug in the iPhone to start charging, and that way you can charge your phone while you're doing the conference call with this. What's great is it comes with a travel bag right here. The other ones don't come with a travel bag, and it's cool color pink, and it helps out a great cause. So you want to get one of these soon, and money goes back, like I said, to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, and you can get it from the Poly website. All the details for how this works and these buttons right here will be below. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.